In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Hostinger interface to manage your website effortlessly. Whether you're setting up a new site or managing an existing one, understanding the Hostinger control panel is crucial for ensuring a smooth experience. First things first, let's dive right in by heading over to Hostinger's homepage. This is where all the magic starts. Open up your preferred web browser and in the address bar, type in hpanel.hostinger.com. This is the main landing page where you can access all the services Hostinger provides once you're logged in. Make sure you're using your registered email and password to sign in, and you're good to go. After you've accessed the main dashboard, let's navigate to the Websites section. You'll want to click on this option, which is typically found on the left-hand side panel. It's one of the primary sections for managing everything related to your website hosted with Hostinger. Clicking Websites takes you to a list of your current projects, allowing you to view all your sites at a glance. From the Websites section, locate the Dashboard option. What you're going to do here is click on Dashboard, which is generally located under each website name. This is where you'll find a plethora of tools and options to monitor and manage your site. The dashboard acts as your command center. Here you can see your website's performance stats, manage domains, check on your email accounts, and more. It's designed to give you a comprehensive view of what's happening with your website. Next up, let's focus on accessing the WordPress admin area. If your website is based on WordPress, such as many Hostinger-hosted sites are, you'll need to enter the WordPress admin portal to make changes to your site design or content. To do this, look for the WordPress admin button on your dashboard page. Clicking on it will take you directly into the back end of your WordPress site, where you can adjust settings, manage plugins, create posts, and everything else WordPress allows you to do. Setting up and navigating through your website management process can seem daunting at first, but once you know where to go and what each section does, you'll find Hostinger's interface quite intuitive. Remember, accessing the main dashboard via hpanel.hostinger.com is your first step each time you need to manage your site, whether it's making content updates, checking for updates, or troubleshooting issues. Exploring these features will help you maintain a professional and efficient online presence. That's a wrap for today's guide. With these simple steps, you should now have a better grasp on utilizing Hostinger's tools effectively. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll be navigating with confidence. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.